Hello, children. Welcome to online study with me. Means Vinay. Okay. So here we are going to start a new lesson. The name of lesson is separation of substances. Means how to separate the substances. Classified now. These are the soft. These are hard. This is liquid. This is solid. So on a day-to-day, everyday basis, which we are faced with various instances, mean different kinds of activity. When we are required to separate sentence, we put the in different order from one to another. Whether it is picking out of chili from the paratha or the poha, means that no eating or no fond of eating the bitter say taste na, so they just take out the chili pieces from the poha, from the paratha, and from the samosa, and separating the tea leaves from the while serving it, and we just take out the chili leaves, sorry, chili leaves, I am telling chili leaves, not chili leaves, that is tea leaves from their liquid. And separation of substance is something we encounter on a daily basis, mean every day we do this. It is usually because of on three following regions, means there are three regions we need to separate the sentence for by this three regions. These are the three regions. The first one, to separate two dissimilar but useful element, means that dissimilar means that are not same but useful, both are useful. Like in case of butter and milk, butter and milk both are very useful for our body, but dono both are different. Understand? Butter, we eat the butter to paste on our bread pieces, and we when we boil the butter, it will convert into the pure ghee. So milk is churned in order to obtain butter. What do? We क्या करते हैं, उसे गांव में कहते हैं ना, मथते हैं. दैट मीन्स वी फाइंड आउट द बटर मिल्क एंड द बटर, मट्ठा बनाते हैं. To segregate useless element from the useful one, there are both useful, and there are two element, means one is useful and one is not useful. Like in the case of tea leaves and tea, we separate tea leaves from the tea picker and take out the liquid of tea. And third, to remove the and discard impurities or the potentially harmful substance, like picking out some pieces of stones and other impurities from rice and wheat. And sometimes there are some impurities are added in the something, like we may pulses, rice, wheat. There are the some stones, very fine class stones are added there. So we have to take out that stone to make this pure. Look at here this picture. We are taking out separating the tea leaves from the tea. And problem arise, means problem कब आती है? Problem arise when the material to be separated are really small in size and differ in their composition, means the impure material is very small in size and not good for their composition. It is nearly impossible to separate grains of salt from the grains of sand. Means if we add some stones, sandstones, very fine class of, and some salt grains, what we it is very difficult to take out from, sorry, separate from one to each other by hand, or trying to separate oil from water, it is very difficult. So we might need, means हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती है to use some methods other than simple hand picking. Means we try to find out these good things from the bad things, from not only hand picking but also using some other methods. A lot of separation process, means there are some others. Even hand picking means हाथों से निकालना might be enough. So what are they? They are the given here. Look at this: hand picking, threshing, winnowing, sewing, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, and evaporation. Sorry, N is not there. I will make. And evaporation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that 7. There are 7 methods. Understand? So these methods are good to remove the impurities from the pure materials and or the useful materials. Thanks for watching my channel. And their homework, write down the methods of separation. Only this one. Only one question is there, so you have to write it and learn it. Okay, have a good day. Bye for today.